Hello people and welcome back to Maxi channel. We feature some of the best road moments caught on BIKERS camera. All the clips in this episode are used for educational purposes, so make sure to sit back and enjoy today's episode.
Fun, and then you can call your friend.
Self-entitled driver pulled out in front of the biker without bothering to look if it's safe first. He had a clear view of the entire road, which means that he was simply not paying attention at all. And when the biker confronted him, this is what he had to say.
Dude. Pay attention, dude. What? I said pay attention. I had to lock up my brakes so I didn't hit you. I'm doing the speed limit. Yes, I am. It's on GoPro. Doesn't mean you can kill me. Doesn't mean pulling out in front of me so I can die. Doesn't mean you need to pull in front of me.
While enjoying his usual ride, this biker came across a self-entitled Karen who was texting and driving. This is a leading cause of a lot of accidents, but drivers still practice this. This is what happened after the biker tried to warn her. Despite being told multiple times to stay away from her phone while driving, this lady did not want to listen at all. She thought that she was smarter than others in traffic, but the biker soon lost his patience, and this is what happened. Let's watch this one more time. Biker got approached by a girl who was in need of some help. Her phone died and she couldn't reach her friend. This is where the adventure is about to start.
I need one address. Maybe you can check the address, please, because my phone is dead.
Okay, no, that's no problem, sure. You can type it. 2.3 kilometers from here. Yeah. You know to get there?
I just need to go to that address, but I don't know city very well.
Alright, you're not from here, yeah?
Not from here.
Where you come
I'm from Daugavpils.
Oh, Daugavpils. I know the city, but I've never been there. I'm from Lithuania, actually.
Oh.
Yeah. So I'm just riding around, you know, looking for some girls or some action to ride a motorcycle.
He offered to take the girl to her friend's place on his bike, of course, and she had nothing against his offer at all. They both kicked off really well, but this is still not the end of this romantic story.
Not scared?
No, it's fine. It was very nice.
You holding my hand?
Yeah.
How do you enjoy the ride?
Yeah, of course. It was very, very nice.
So maybe you can give me your number and we can, if you, of course, want, we can ride after.
Yeah, it sounds like a lot of fun.
Yeah, then we will have longer ride, not so short, yeah?
The plot twist starts here, because her friend was not at home. Her apartment door was locked, and now this girl has no other choice but to wait there. Or maybe not.
I remember
remember the house must look like that.
Okay.
As I remember. But yeah, I can't call and I don't remember the number and it's a little bit difficult, you know.
Alright, so what are you gonna do? Just waiting here?
I don't know yet. It's a little bit situation, you know.
We can go charge your phone and then you can call your friend.
Okay, it will be really nice.
During their ride, they had an interesting encounter with a police vehicle. Biker indicated to make a turn to the left, but the cop thought he wanted to pass him, so he swerved over to block him.
I'm crying. He really thought that I will overtake them. I was thinking, like, interesting, will they like block me or not? And I saw this turn, like I need here, like, you know. And he was like, no, you can't ride that. How did you enjoy the speed?
It was actually very fun and it was scary to be very close to the cars.
Yeah.
So when you was driving like that...
After a couple of hours of chilling, they got outside and the biker was preparing to take her back to her friend. But before taking her back, he had a proposition she couldn't refuse. Or maybe she could. Maybe you still want to stay with me?
Not today.
Not today.
Not today.
She's waiting for you.
She is waiting for me.
I tried. It's like fourth time I ask you about that. Okay, I will bring you to the room.
Friend is friend.
Well, it's definitely not so often you get pulled over by armed police. The increase of bike gangs and bike theft in this area led to police making more drastic measures and increase their patrol time. This is how the crazy encounter looked like.
Não. Que porra é essa na placa? Oi? Que porra é essa? Pode abrir? É assalto, é medo de assalto. Mas você cobre a placa? Hã? Você cobre a placa? Tentaram me roubar já, mano. Aí eu tive que fugir. Vocês três? Hã? Vocês três? É, meu amigo é policial que tá junto.
With the increase of bike thefts, your regular bikers have to deal with the consequences as well. Being pulled over by armed police is never a pleasant experience, however you put it. Biker in front suddenly stopped to argue with a truck driver. We don't know exactly what happened between the two, but the biker that was behind didn't want to stay and find out. Biker was enjoying his daily ride, and then an opportunity presented itself for him to do a good deed. Of course, since he's kind and genuine, he did the right thing. Check it out.
Good Samaritan. No! Ah.
Hurry up!
These bikers noticed an elderly gentleman who fell on the ground. They didn't want to move on pretending they didn't see a thing, And this is how they help the poor guy. Stay tuned and watch.
Hey! Wszystko w porządku!
It looks like this guy took a blow to his head as he fell down, but he was doing just fine. Since he had difficulties getting up, he handed the keys to the gates to a biker and he opened it up for him.
Daleko pan stąd mieszka?
Pan tutaj mieszka? Że pomogę panu dojść do domu. Że na pogotowie zadzwonić. Otóż gramy tym kluczem.
Chodź pan wstać.
This video makes me happy and sad at the same time. It's really unfortunate for this gentleman to be in this position, and I'm really happy for the bikers because they show the real class act.
Dojdzie pan na pewno?
Ale poradzi pan sobie? Jak przymknę tę bramę. Muszę dobrze pisnąć.
No, chwila przed nami musiał.
Widziałem, mówię, to też zawróciłem.
Ale nie czuć od niego alkoholu było w ogóle. No. Dobra, jedziemy.
This driver was pushing his car all alone in the middle of the road, and no one bothered to stop and help him. That soon changed when the biker passed by and saw what was happening. Check out this cool act of kindness.
Obrigado. Tranquilo? Valeu. Ó, a gente vai até o posto ali na frente. Ó, entre que é melhor.
Entre? Ah?
Aham. Quando for subir no posto, você desce que é ladeira. Vamos embora, galera.
Videos like this one are supposed to inspire you to behave differently and in a much more positive manner towards others. It doesn't cost you anything to help someone push his car away from the road, but I'm sure that it means the world to the ones you're helping.
Puxa o freio de mão.
É melhor vir pra cá.
Puxa o freio de mão. Valeu, galera. Valeu, galera.
Valeu.
Valeu, meu nome. Tamo junto. Puxa o freio de mão. Aí. Valeu. Misericórdia.
Biker did something really amazing and unbelievable here. He bought some McDonald's meals and went out to give to the ones who needed the most. This is such a heartwarming video and it shows us exactly what being a true human being is. With this clip, we conclude another epic episode on Maxi channel. We hope you guys enjoyed watching, and maybe you took notes on how to behave in traffic as well. After all, why not learn on the mistakes of others if you have the opportunity? If you support my work, don't hesitate to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. Until the next episode, ride safe and take care.